Hi, this is Annette from MoneySmartFamily.com, and today we're going to talk about 11 ways to get blood out of your clothes and sheets. Steve tested 9 of them, and he's going to show you exactly what he did and how they all worked.
We wanted this test to be as scientific as possible, so we took 12 exact identical pieces of fabric. We cut a 300 thread count sheet into 1-foot squares, and then I used real blood, my blood, and put it on 9 squares of fabric. Then we let that fabric sit for 24 hours. Because blood contains protein, we wanted to take the test a step further, so we actually ironed in the blood after it had sat on the fabric for 24 hours, and I used steam. You can see how the color of the blood darkened after it was ironed with steam. So here's what it looked like beforehand: 9 12-inch squares of fabric with ironed in old blood. We tested 9 different solutions, and we used them in order of how little they cost. So starting with the cheapest, number 1 was hydrogen peroxide, number 2 was Dawn dish soap and hydrogen peroxide, number 3 was club soda and salt, number 4 is Dawn dish soap, number 5 is vinegar, number 6 is laundry bleach, number 7 was an Oxi-Clean knockoff from the dollar store, number 8 was white wine, and number 9 was contact solution. The first test was straight up hydrogen peroxide and water. We had a bowl, just a cereal bowl. We put a little bit of hydrogen peroxide in the bowl with some water, and we let that solution sit for another 24 hours. The hydrogen peroxide is already starting to fizzle before we even added the water. The next solution was Dawn and hydrogen peroxide, and we use this on lots of stains, but we've never tried it on blood before. You can get this recipe on our website if you search for Dawn and hydrogen peroxide carpet cleaner and stain remover. So we sprayed it on, and we let that sit for 24 hours too. The third solution we tested was club soda and salt. You get club soda in the liquor department of most grocery stores for less than $1 a bottle. Just sprinkle a little salt and then pour the club soda on. It will start dissolving or loosening the stain. We're going to test this one and let it sit for 24 hours too. Next we tried straight up Dawn dish soap. Dawn dish soap is really powerful for removing greasy stains. And we thought, well, let's try it on blood. And so we just put it straight on, added a little bit of water, mixed it in, and we'll see how it does. The fifth solution we tried was white vinegar. This is a great cleaning solution and a great way to get water stains off of things, but we weren't sure what it would do with blood, so we just poured it on and we let that sit for 24 hours too. The sixth solution we tested was just straight up laundry bleach and water. And I was pretty sure that this was going to work good, but you'll see that it was actually one of the best, although bleach is kind of expensive. The seventh solution we tried was Oxi-Clean and Water. Now, Oxi-Clean can be pretty expensive if you buy it at a retail store, but we buy our Oxi-Clean knockoff at the dollar store, so it doesn't cost that much. We expected this to be a good solution because it utilized hydrogen peroxide and water and laundry detergent. The eighth solution we tested was white wine. We read somewhere that white wine got bloodstains out of fabric. I don't know if this person really knew what they were talking about. You can judge the results yourself, but we went ahead with the test. We put white wine, which looks kind of yellow, onto our bloodstained fabric, and we let it sit for 24 hours. The final solution we tested was contact lens solution. This was by far the most expensive solution out there. We tested it because it is used to dissolve protein on contact lenses, so we thought this would be a good thing to test. After all 9 solutions soaked for about 24 hours, we rinsed them with clean water and then put them in the washing machine with Oxi-Clean and a little bit of bleach and used cold water to wash them. So here's the results. Number 1, hydrogen peroxide and water, virtually totally gone. Dawn and hydrogen peroxide disappointed us a little, but if we had washed it a second time with the solution, probably would have come out. Club soda and salt was a real close second solution. Dawn dish soap hardly did anything, and maybe about half of the stain came out. Vinegar, about the same as Dawn dish soap. Bleach was phenomenal. It almost took the numbers off. Now, you need to be cautious with bleach because it can burn fabric. Oxi-Clean did a phenomenal job. Look at that. That's about 90% gone. White wine, probably would have been better off just drinking it. That did nothing. The contact solution was surprising. It did a very good job taking this blood stain out. So that's how we tested 9 different cleaning solutions. Make sure you visit MoneySmartFamily.com where you can read the blog and see 2 additional solutions we didn't include in this video. If you like this video, would you subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, or maybe share it with some of your friends? And make sure you visit MoneySmartFamily.com and watch these other videos.